Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and enjoying your summer vacations nicely at your homes. Students, today we are going to solve the skill booster pack of the level 8 of the subject science, and the page number is 23. Students, at this page we have a competency that we have to solve the various activities given on this page on the base of a particular reason. So you have to use reasoning in order to solve the given activities on this page. So students, moving on to the question number 6 here. On the diagram below, label the cells and write their names. So students, we have provided with the two diagrams here. You have to label the parts of these diagrams, and also you have to understand that what is the function and the structure of these two diagrams. So students, neuron or the nerve cell is basically a cell of the nervous system. So here we have provided with the two different types of the nerve cells. One is sensory nerve cell and one is motor nerve cell. So students, this is a sensory nerve cell and this is a motor nerve cell. So we know that our brain consists of thousands of the nerve cells. Some are motor nerve cell and some are the sensory nerve cells, and all the cells are particular on the base of their functions. Students, each of the nerve cell consists of the various parts in its structure. So students, first we label that it is a sensory nerve cell. So we label it a sensory nerve cell, and it is a motor nerve cell. So students, after labeling, I will show you the different parts of the sensory and the motor nerve cell. So starting from the sensory nerve cell, this is a nerve cell body containing a central nuclei. Students, these are the branches which are inside the nervous system. So we write here branches inside nervous system. And students, these arrows shows the nerve impulses. So we write here nerve impulses, which are the nerve information or the sensory information in the form of the nerve impulses. Students, this is a nerve fiber which is called as the axon. This is, you can see that we have a single long process. So axon is a single long process. The next we have the branches inside the nervous organs. So we write here branches inside nervous organs. So students, that is all about a sensory nerve cell. Now we label the different parts of the motor nerve cell. So starting from the branches inside the muscles. So these are the branches inside muscles. Students, these arrow again show the nerve impulses. So we write here nerve impulses, and after that these short branches inside the nervous system. So we write here branches inside the nervous system. Students, this is a nerve cell like that. So we write here nerve cell. And students, this is again we have the nerve fiber. So students, that is all about the two types of the motor nerve cell and the sensory nerve cell. Now students, we have to focus upon the function that makes a sensory nerve cell different from the motor nerve cell. Students, sensory nerve cell is a type of the nerve cell which basically activated by sensory input from the environment. So students, the process will start from here. The branches which are present inside the nervous organs means the sensory organs, which basically of touch, hear, etc. They receive stimulus from the environment, and from them the axon carries the nerve impulses, the nerve messages, the nervous information towards the nerve cell body of another nerve cell. So students, in this way a sensory nerve cells carries a sensory information from the sense organ towards the nervous system. So this is all about the function of a sensory nerve cell. But in a motor nerve cell, this process is in a reverse form. Here, a motor nerve cell is a type of a nerve cell that is a part of the nervous system which connects to the muscles, to the glands, to the organs. So, when the sensory information is present inside the nervous system, is bring about by the sensory nerve cell, it is taken to the effector organ, which are the muscles, glands, or the various organs which produces the effects. So students, the sensory information is transferred to the muscles or the organs or the glands with the help of the motor nerve cell, and that produces the response in a body. So in this way, these two types of the cells are differentiated from each other on the base of their particular function and specificity. So students, that is all about our today's lecture. I hope that you clearly understand all the cells of the brain which are formed here. So I have elaborated you all of them. So we will meet tomorrow in our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.